In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Lucidchart. To get started, open your diagram inside the Lucidchart editor. Make sure you're in the document where the shape, image, or object you want to adjust is already visible on the canvas. If needed, take a moment to zoom in so you can clearly see the object and its editing controls. This makes the rotation process easier and helps you position the object more accurately. Once you're inside the editor, find the specific object you want to rotate and click on it to select it. When the object is selected, Lucidchart will display editing handles around it. Look carefully near the top left area of the selected object because that's where you'll see the rotate handle. This is the control you'll use to change the object's angle. Next, move your cursor over the rotate icon. As you hover over it, you'll be ready to begin rotating the object. Click and hold your mouse, then drag left or right to rotate it to the angle you want. As you drag, pay attention to how the object moves on the canvas so you can stop when it reaches the right position. If you only need a small adjustment, move the mouse slowly for better control. For a larger turn, drag a little farther until the object is facing the direction you need. This is especially useful when you want to improve the layout of a diagram, align visual elements more naturally, or make your chart easier to read. Rotating an object can help arrows, labels, symbols, and other elements fit more cleanly into your design. If the angle doesn't look quite right on the first try, don't worry. You can simply click and drag the rotate handle again until you're satisfied with the placement. Small refinements are normal, especially if you're working on a detailed diagram. And that's it. That's how to rotate an object in Lucidchart. Open your diagram, select the object, use the rotate handle at the top left, and drag left or right until it looks the way you want. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and natural part of editing your diagrams.